How to deposit money on TrustWallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can deposit money on TrustWallet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to deposit money on TrustWallet, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TrustWallet application and then just make sure to sign into your account. Once you sign into the account, in order to be able to deposit money, you have to try to purchase some type of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. And when you try to purchase the cryptocurrency, it will ask you to simply deposit money into your account. Now to do this, just tap the buy option here and then just select any cryptocurrency that you want to buy and just enter the amount of money that you want to deposit, or maybe the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy in this case. Then just make sure to select your service provider here. Tap the next option. Once you tap the next option, in this case you're going to be taken to the next page where you'll be able to simply go ahead and fill in out your payment details and then just confirm the transaction. Once you go ahead and confirm and check out with MoonPay or any of the other options that you might have, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then deposit some money, but that money will be used to buy that Bitcoin. Now this way you can go ahead and then basically deposit money on TrustWallet. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.